to the start formula 2a and 3a formula. First formula is sin 2a. Formula 2 sin a cos a. Then cos 2a equal to cos square minus sin square. Or cos 2a formula is 2 cos square a minus 1. Third cos 2a formula is 1 minus 2 sin square. And fourth formula cos 2a is 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square. Then tan 2a, 2 tan a, 1 minus tan square. Then next formula is sin 3a, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos 3a, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Tan 3a, 3 tan a minus tan cube a, 1 minus 3 tan square. Sin 2a, 2 tan a, 1 plus tan square. Sin 18 degree value is root 5 minus 1 upon 8. Then cos 18 square root 10 plus 2 root 5 upon 4. Cos 36 equal to root 5 plus 1 upon 4. Then sin 36 square root 10 minus root 5 upon 4. Sin a by 2 formula is plus minus square root 1 minus cos a upon 2. Or cos a by 2 plus minus square root 1 plus cos upon 2. Tan a by 2 equal to square root 1 minus cos a, 1 plus cos a. Example first, prove that sin 2a plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x equal to 4 cos x into sin 4x. Left hand side, sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x. Combining sin 6x plus sin 2x. Sin 6x plus sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x. Apply formula sin c plus sin d. C is 6x, d is 2x. Sin c plus sin formula 2 sin c plus d upon 2. Take cos c minus d upon 2. 2 sin 6x plus 2x upon 2. Take cos 6x minus 2x upon 2 plus 2 sin 4x. 6 plus 2, 8 upon 2 is 4x. 2 sin 4x. 6x minus 2x, 3x upon 2, 3x. This is 2x. Cos 2x plus 2 sin 4x. Sin 4x common. Then 2 cos 2x plus 2. Then sin 4x 2. Cos 2x formula is 2 cos x minus 1 plus 2. 2 to the 4 cos x minus 2 plus 2. Cancel. That is, the answer is 4 cos x minus sin 4x equal to right hand side. Example second. Prove that tan 75 plus cot 75 degree equal to 4. Left hand side. Tan 75 degree plus cot 75 degree. Tan formula is sin 75 upon cos 75 plus cot formula is cos 75 upon sin 75. Take LCM. LCM is sin 75 cos 75. Cross multiply sin 75 sin 75 sin square 75 plus cos square 75 sin square plus cos square equal to 1. That is 1 upon cos sin 75 to cos 75. Dividing and multiply by 2. 2 sin 75 cos 75. 2 upon sin 2 75. Apply formula sin 2a. 2 cos a sin a cos a sin 2a. 2a 75. 2 multiplied 75 is 2 upon sin 150 degree. 150 right is 2 upon sin 180 minus 30. First quadrant, sin is a positive. This is 2 upon sin 30. Sin 30's value is 1 upon 2. 2 to the 4 equal to right hand side. Third example, prove that secant 8 theta minus 1 secant 4 theta minus 1 equal to tan 8 theta upon tan 2 theta. Left hand side, secant 8 theta minus 1 secant 4 theta minus 1. Secant formula is 1 upon cos 8 theta minus 1. Similarly, secant 4 theta is 1 upon cos 4 theta minus 1. Take LCM. LCM first is cos 8 theta 1 minus cos 8 theta upon. We take LCM 1 minus cos 4 theta upon cos 4 theta. 1 minus cos 8 theta upon 1 minus cos 4 theta. Then into cos 4 theta upon cos 8 theta. Formula is 1 minus cos 2a. 2 sin square a. 2 sin square. ठीक है, 2 sin square 4 theta upon 2 sin square theta into multiply cos 4 theta upon cos a theta. Cos 4 theta write as cos 4 theta with 2 cos 4 theta into cos 4 theta upon 2 sin square theta sin 2 theta upon cos of theta. Formula 2 sin A cos B. Formula is cos sin 2A. 2A is 4 theta. Sin A theta upon 2 sin square 2 theta upon cos A theta. Then formula sin 2A formula. 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta is sin A theta upon 2 sin square 2 theta into cos A theta. 2 cancel, sin 2 theta, power cancel, then cos 2 theta into sin A theta upon sin 2 theta into cos A theta. We write sin A theta upon cos A theta is sin 2 theta upon cos 2 theta. Sin upon cos is tan A theta upon tan 2 theta. This is right hand side. Find the value of tan pi by 8 or tan 22 into 1 by 2, that is value 45 upon 2. First formula is sin tan 2 tan A 1 minus tan square. X equal to pi by 8. The formula is tan pi by 4 equal to 2 tan pi by 8 1 minus tan square pi by 8. Tan pi by 4 is a 1. Value is tan 45 1. 2 tan pi by 8 1 minus tan square pi by 8. Cross multiply 1 minus tan square pi by 8 equal to 2 tan pi by 8. Then change the side, tan square pi by 8 plus 2 tan pi by 8 minus 1 equal to 0. We apply formula x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. First a is 1, b is 2 and c is minus 1. Tan pi by 8 equal to minus 2 plus minus square root b square 4 2 square 4 minus 4ab 2ab 4 plus 4 upon 2. 4 plus 4 is 8 minus 2 plus minus square root 8 upon 2. 8 factor is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, that is minus 2 plus minus 2 factor is then upon 2. 2 is common, then minus 1 plus minus root 2 upon 2 cancel. Tan 8 by pi by 8 equal to minus 1 plus root 2 or minus 1 minus root 2. Rejecting tan pi by 8 minus root 2 minus 1. ठीक है. Then tan pi by 8 is positive. Then correct answer is tan pi by 8 equal to root 2 minus 1.